And in this video, I will guide you through the simple steps. How to create account on RS India website. Whether you're a new user looking to place an order or want to explore our products, this guide will help you to register your account easily and securely. To begin, open your preferred web browser and in the address bar at the top, type in .rsdelivers.com and then press enter. This will take you to the RS India website. Once you're on the website, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see the login and sign up button. Click on it to the sign up button. Now you will be redirected to the sign up page. On this page, you need to fill some details for sign up. In the first box, enter your first name. In the second box, enter your last name. In the third box, enter a valid phone number. In the fourth box, enter your working email. This email will be used for login and other communication. And now inside the 5 box, create a strong password. Your password must contain at least 10 characters, including one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. Next, choose your account type under purchasing for. Select business if you are registering as a company or organization. Select individual if you are registering for personal purchases. Now, select your industry from the drop down list. If your industry is not listed, choose the other option. Before proceeding, check the box that says Email me with special offers and news. Once all details are filled, click the register button to complete your sign up. If everything is correct, you will see a green box message on screen saying, Thank you for completing your registration. Log in to continue. And that's it. You have successfully created your account on RS India. Now you can log in and start explore.